Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your Unbounce pages and drafts, detailed guide step by step clearly. To back up your Unbounce pages and drafts, begin by logging into your Unbounce account. Navigate to the dashboard where all your pages are listed. Select the page you wish to back up by clicking on it. Once the page is open, look for the Settings option in the left sidebar. Click on Settings to open the Settings menu for that specific page. In the Settings menu, locate the Page Lock section. Before proceeding, make sure to lock the page if you want to prevent any further changes during the backup process. Now, return to the main page view by clicking on the back arrow in the top left. To export the page, find the More Options button, usually represented by 3 dots. Click on More Options to reveal a drop-down menu. Here, you will see the option to export page. Select Export Page and follow the prompts to download your page as a .zip file. Repeat the process for each page you want to backup. For drafts, go back to the dashboard and locate the Drafts section. Select any draft page you wish to backup by clicking on it. Follow the same steps as before by navigating to Settings and then to More Options. If available, use the Export Draft feature to save your drafts separately. Ensure that all your exported files are stored safely on your device or cloud storage. Regularly check your backups to confirm they are up to date. Now, you have successfully backed up your Unbounce pages and drafts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.